Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Hytale not loading blocks. As you can see right here, the world did not load up at all, and in this one the trees did not load up, for example. And what I did to fix it, as you can see, was very easy. You just come here at the bottom left, click on search. I want you to type in NVIDIA, and then I want you to open up the NVIDIA control panel. So click here on open. Now on the left hand panel you will actually see an option that says manage 3D settings. I want you to click on this, and here under manage 3D settings you'll see preferred graphics processor. It will usually be set to either auto select or integrated graphics. That is what is causing the issue. I want you to set it to your high performance NVIDIA processor or whichever processor you use. Come here and hit apply, and then save your changes. Then you can just go ahead and launch up Hytale, and it will actually work. And that is how to fix Hytale not loading blocks. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.